Just you, sweetheart.
I did a contemporary dance. We had like sticks. We were like battles, and then there were two like teams.
The next station is Cypress Avenue. Exit here for connecting bus services.
Malfoy. And like Harry.
Characters now.
I was Harry. I was literally best
Please exit from the left-hand side of the tram in direction of travel. For your own safety, please use the pedestrian crossings to cross the road.
Wrong way.
Hold on, tram departing. Welcome aboard. This tram is travelling to Broadbeach South, stopping at all stations.
Oh, my ass.
I just said that. I don't Stop saying that. You said it like 10 million
The next station is Cavill Avenue. Exit here for the Surfers Paradise Beach. Shopping, bars, clubs, restaurants, and activities. Please remember to touch your go-kart to a card reader at the station platform at the beginning and end of each trip. Please exit from the left-hand side of the tram in direction of travel. For your own safety, please use the pedestrian crossings to cross the road. Tram departing. Welcome aboard. This tram is traveling to Broadbeach South, stopping at all stations to Broadbeach South. You can now tap on and off the G using your Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or GoCard for adult fares with smart ticketing. Remember to keep using your GoCard for concession fares and always travel with a valid ticket.
Oh, what is that?
The next station is Surfers Paradise. Exit here for Q1. Please remember to touch your go-card to on the station platform